Welcome to a short introduction to token metrics. This tool helps us a lot in making decisions. Whether we want to find information about a project, or if we want to analyze the price of a specific cryptocurrency. If you want to learn how to use token metrics or get a quick overview, then make sure to stay until the end of this video. Token metrics stores data and makes price predictions with the help of AI. It's great when you want to analyze a cryptocurrency and get much information quickly. If you love data, you can spend hours on this website. The most important things you will find under data. We frequently use the initial exchange offer or the rating tab. Under portfolio, you can track your investments or trades if you like. Remember that this is a paid tool, but you can try it for 2 weeks for free. The link is in the description. Let's go over to the initial exchange offerings. With so many new cryptocurrencies coming out every day, it's hard to keep track of them. Token metrics shows you the best ones to launch soon and you can start your research from there. You are more likely to find a good investment because they filter out the trash coins. We always pick the ones with the best rating and read more about the project. They gather a lot of information and you can dive deeper into the project. As I said before, it's a great way to start your research and you find the coins with great potential quickly. Let's head over to the rating tab. This is a good start if you are looking to make a trade. You simply sort by monthly trend, and token metrics will show the coins they are most bullish on. Since I like NEO, let's take a look at their analysis. Again, you have a lot of data to go through. From fundamentals to technology, technical analysis or performance metrics. They are all important, but we would like to show you the price prediction. Because we think this is the most exciting data. On the right you will find the accuracy. That means how well token metrics predicted the price in the past. For NEO, they came very close, as you will see in the chart I'm going to show you. This is a chart of NEO with the actual price in red, and the predicted price in blue. The AI did a good job of predicting the price. You will see it even better when I switch to the yearly chart. Now the blue and the red line are very close together. Does this mean the AI is always right? Probably not, but you can use it as an indicator. Another indicator we like to use is the price prediction for Bitcoin. Let's type in Bitcoin at the search bar to get the analysis. We have to go over to price prediction to see the chart. You can get this analysis for every top 100 cryptocurrency. When I see this chart, I would wait with my trade on NEO. Token metrics predicts that the price of Bitcoin will fall. When that happens, it normally takes down the price of altcoins with it. But the AI could be wrong as well. Always keep that in mind. We did some good trades in the past using token metrics. You can use the free trial and do some paper trades. If you get most of them right, maybe token metrics is a tool you would like to use in the future. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful. In the next video, we will show you our top 3 Oracle coins in case you have missed the Chainlink train. Thanks for watching. See you soon.